all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 7. More about Scratch. I have divided the chapter in 2 sessions and this is the first session. Students, before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. So are you all ready? Let's begin the class. Okay. Students, first of all, tell me, do you like playing games on the computer? We all love, right? What if you will get a chance to even create the games of your choice? Can you create games? Yes, you can. And we have already learned about a program in class 3rd, right? Which program was it? We have learned about a program now, with the help of which you can create your own games. You can create animations, stories, and so many other things. What was the name of that program? It was Scratch. Do you remember? Do you know what is Scratch? What is Scratch? We have learned about Scratch in class 3 now. Students, Scratch is a program that is used to create games, animations, and stories. And it is very easy to use. Hai na? We have already learned about it in class 3rd. Na? And you only have to drag the blocks of instructions to create the animations and games and the script. Hai na? You already know na how to work with one sprite in Scratch. You already know how to open Scratch, what are the different components of Scratch, so we will not learn that. So today in this session, we will learn about working with 2 sprites. You already know how to work with one sprite on Scratch now, and you know the components of Scratch. So today we will learn about working with 2 sprites and how can you set the sprite position. Okay? And setting the rotation style, changing the pen shape, how your sprite can draw a line. We will learn all these things today in this session. Okay? Let's begin. Okay. Students, to learn that, we will have to go in the virtual practical lab. So are you all ready? Okay, let's start.
So this is desktop and I have an icon on the screen for Scratch 2. Okay? You know now we are working on Scratch 2. Okay? When I will double click, the Scratch window will open. Let's maximize it. Okay, I will give you a quick revision, or I will just quickly tell you all the components of the window, because you have learned Scratch in class 3 na, हो सकता है अभी तक चला गया हो. So let's see. This is sprite. This is cat by default. Okay. And what is this? This is the stage. ठीक है? The sprite performs the actions on the stage. You know ना? These are the control buttons. ठीक है? And these are the different tabs. Scripts, costumes, sounds. These are different tabs. And this is the blocks palette. ठीक है? Here scripts tab में motion block के सारे blocks खुले हुए हैं. ठीक है? These are all the blocks of motion. ठीक? This is blocks palette. And what is this? This is scripts area. This is known as scripts area. You drag the blocks here. You drag the blocks to create a script for the sprite. Okay? And in this area, all the sprites that we have selected so far are displayed. ठीक? From here, you can change the backdrop. In Scratch 2.0, it is known as backdrop. And in Scratch 1.4, the same backdrop is the background. Okay? You can change the backdrop. Here is the option to choose from the library, to paint the backdrop or to upload the backdrop, take the photo. I will tell you how you can change the backdrop. Okay, I have selected the library. We have selected blue sky. I will click OK. See, background change हो गया ना. This is the backdrop in Scratch 2. ठीक है, and in Scratch 1.4 this backdrop is known as background. ठीक है. Come in scripts. You can write the script. Okay. So have you understood? मोटा मोटा बता दिया मैंने कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ पे है. ठीक है. Now in today's session we have to learn how to work with two sprites. Okay. So first of all, let's just delete this cat. Okay. How will you delete this cat? From here, when you will right click on this, here is an option to delete. You will delete it. ठीक है. अब no sprite is there on this stage. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे भी no sprite is visible. Now we will add a new sprite. This is the new sprite. I will click on it. Here is a list of different sprites. Okay. You can click any. You can choose any sprite. Let's choose the sprite, and the name of all the sprites is given under them. Okay. This is Abby. The name of this sprite is Abby. I will choose it. See, this I have got the sprite. ठीक है. Sprite Abby. Here it is visible ना कि sprite Abby is added. Now we have to work with two sprites. So I will add one more sprite from the library. Okay. Click on this. This is the category from where you can choose the sprites. Okay. Let's see what are the different sprites we have. Which one do you like? Let's choose D. Okay. I have chosen D. Press OK and the sprite is added. Okay. Now see, you can see here two sprites. ठीक है. यहाँ पे it is telling me that I have chosen two sprites. ठीक है. And this is the sprite info pane. Okay. This shows us the details of the sprite. Okay. Okay. These are rotation style buttons. This is circular arrow. Okay. It will rotate the sprite. ठीक है. And what is this? This is linear arrow. It will enable the sprite only to face in the left or in the right direction. ठीक है. And what is this? This is disable rotation. Okay. It will not allow the sprite to move. The sprite will only be fixed at 90 degrees. Okay. So these are all the rotation style buttons. ठीक है. If we want to change the rotation style of the script, we can change from here. Okay. Let's choose linear arrow and drag the blocks and create the script. Okay. We are and yes, one more thing. We are creating the script for Abby. We can create the script for both the sprites separately. Okay. Since we have selected Abby, this is Abby sprite now, so we are creating the script for Abby only. If we will select this sprite D, the name of the sprite is D. Okay. If we will select this sprite, so the script of that sprite will be created. Okay. Turn 15 degrees. ठीक है. And we have selected linear arrow. Now when I will click on this, see, it is moving, right? See, linear arrow now, it is facing the opposite side, है ना? It is facing the opposite side. It moved 10 steps and it had turned the position because we have selected the rotations. We have changed the rotation style, right? Its direction has changed. ठीक है? In this way, you can change the direction of the sprite. How can you change the rotation style? From the rotation style buttons. These are the rotation style buttons. Have you understood? Okay. Okay. Now one thing that I would like to tell you about the stage. This is the stage. Okay. Students, this stage is divided into pixels. Okay. Small blocks. Horizontally, there are total 480 pixels, okay, horizontally. Which is the horizontal direction? This is the horizontal direction, right? ठीक है, इस साइड में कितने पिक्सल्स? 480 पिक्सल्स. एंड वर्टिकली लाइक in height it is 360 pixels. ठीक है, 360 pixels high and 480 pixels wide, and the screen is divided into x and y grid. Okay, the horizontal position of the sprite is determined by x axis, okay, and vertical position is determined by the y axis. ठीक है, middle of the stage, like the midpoint of the stage, on that point the x and y, both the axis has 0 values. Okay, 0 0 is the position that is the midpoint of the stage. ठीक है, and in the x axis ranges from 240 to minus 240. In this like in the right hand side of the origin, the markings are in positive, like 1 2 plus 240. Okay, and in the left hand side of the origin, the markings they are in negatives, like minus 1 to minus 240. Okay, so that x axis the values ranges from 240 to minus 240, and in vertically like y axis, above the origin the values are positive and below the origin the values are negative. ठीक है, above the origin they are till 180, from 1 to 180, then 0 is the origin, then again minus 1 to minus 180, like vertically they range from 180 to minus 180. So we can say that the x axis ranges from 240 to minus 240 and y axis ranges from 180 to minus 180. and pixels कितने होते हैं? 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. ठीक है, ये हमारे स्टेज का पूरा हो गया. ठीक है, कि कितने पिक्सल्स होते हैं, कितने कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं, कितने हाउ विच कोऑर्डिनेट रेंजेस फ्रॉम विच रेंज. ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ टू चेंज द कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑफ द स्प्राइट. ठीक है, see let's select Abby first. ठीक है, Abby I have selected, then I will click on the costumes tab. This is costumes tab. Can you see these 4 Abbys? ठीक है, Abby A written, Abby B, Abby C, Abby D. These are all the different costumes of Abby. See, Abby B looks like this, Abby C, Abby D. ठीक है, costumes are visible here. ठीक है, now whichever Abby, whichever costume you want to select, you can select that costume. Okay, if I want to select मान लो this, we will select Abby B. Okay, now I want to change the costumes of this sprite D. ठीक है, these are all the costumes of this sprite. ठीक है, can you see the costumes? Which costume would you like to have? Let's select the costume C. Okay, this is appropriate. ठीक है, तो in this way you can change the costumes of the sprites. ठीक है, now we will write the script for both the sprites individually. ठीक है, let's write the script. First it will move 10 steps. Then in the looks block I have selected looks. ठीक है, now this Abby will say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, hello for 2 seconds. Then she will say drag the blocks, and whatever you can change this also. ठीक है, we will write here something else. ठीक है, like written in your books, we will write that only. Okay, can you demonstrate? Okay, and then we will drag this curve. ठीक है, in this way you can drag the blocks and create the script. Okay, in control there are these are the blocks. In repeat block, do this when you select this repeat block, all the blocks that are covered inside it. Okay, देखो इसके अंदर सारे के सारे blocks आ गए ना, तो when you will place this, it will repeat all these actions. ठीक है, it will repeat all these actions. ठीक है, तो this is the script for Abby. We have created the script for Abby. Now if in events, if we will at this when clicked flag, what it will do, it will continuously do the functions. We have one more thing I would like to tell you, that if you do not know the function of the blocks, you can even know this. In these control buttons, can you see the question mark block help? Okay, this is the help block. When you will click on this, the pointer will change to this question mark. Okay, so when you will click on any of the block, it will tell you the function of that block. See, here is the function popped up, runs the script when the green flag is clicked. Okay, and you can close it from here. So means you can even know the function of each block by pressing the help block. Okay, so when you will click the green flag, this is the green flag, and this is the stop button. When you will click on this, the stop, it will stop doing the actions, and when you will click the green flag, it will start the actions. Now let's write the script for D. Okay, what will D write? In the motions, I will write here -3. It will come -3 steps back, and what it will do in looks, it will say yes. Okay, it will say yes, and in the control, we will drag this block, wait 1 second, and again in the looks, next costume. Okay, I have done this. Okay, and in events, I have dragged this block when green flag clicked. Okay, now I have created the script for both the sprites. Now when I will click the green flag, they will start performing the actions. Let's click hello, yes, and it has stopped. Okay, until and unless I will not press the stop button, it will not stop. Okay, because we have selected this when green flag clicked है ना, तो जब तक कि हम उसको stop नहीं करेंगे, it will not stop. ठीक है, तो we will have to press this red button. ठीक है, have you understood how the scripts will be written separately for both the sprites and how will the script run? ठीक है, जब हम if we have selected this green flag click, तो ही ये green flag click होने पर work करेगा, otherwise we will have to click on the blocks. ठीक है, so have you understood how you will write the script separately for both the sprites, how you will change the rotation style, what are the dimensions of the stage, what is backdrop, what is background. ठीक है, we have learnt all these things till now, है ना. Now how will you change the position of the sprite? You can change the position of the sprite from the motion block. Here is the motion block. Let's just turn all these. Okay, write a new script. We will write the script for Abby. Now we will change the position, size and the color of the sprite. Okay, let's change all these things. So we can change the position of the sprite in the motions block and rotation styles from the sprite info pane. Remember this. Okay, if you want to change the position, you will change it from the motions blocks. These are the blocks for motion. Okay, move 10 steps. Then in control, wait for 1 second. Okay, 1 second wait karega, and then again in the motion block we can change the axis or we can change the dimension, like x axis को भी we can set कि कितने पे it will come. ठीक है, set x axis to 20. ठीक है, मान लो we have set the x axis to 20. Now again we wanted to wait for 1 second. So in control block we will choose this, wait 1 second. ठीक है, now in the looks we will change the costume, switch costume to, from here we can change the costume. Okay, Abby C or Abby D, chalo, it will switch costume to Abby D. ठीक है, and we are writing the script for Abby. Keep this in mind. Okay, now we have changed the costume, we have changed the axis, we have changed the position. Now what else we want to change? Okay, change color. We also want to change the size. ठीक है, we can change the size also. Here is the option for size. ठीक है, change size by 10. Now it will increase or decrease the size also. ठीक है, in control. Now tell me how will you see the function of the block. You will click on the help block. Okay, and I want to see the function for a block. Blocks will come within this block. It will repeat them again and again. Okay, until and unless I will not ask it to stop. ठीक है, this is the function of forever block. In this way you can see the function of each and every block. Now in events I will choose this when green flag clicked. When I will click this green flag, it will perform these functions repeatedly. ठीक है, forever है कि हमेशा करता ही रहेगा without stopping. ठीक है, जब तक हम बोलेंगे नहीं. Now let's see if it will move 10 steps or not. It will set the x-axis to 20, switch it costume, change color, change size. ठीक है, okay. See, it is changing the color, costumes, changing color change हो रहे हैं ना. 25 colors, and also the size is increasing. See, it is increasing its size also. छोटी सी थी, अभी कितनी बड़ी हो गई. ठीक है, and it is repeating the actions because we have used forever block. So have you understood? Now when I will click the stop, see, it has stopped. In this way you can create the scripts. ठीक है, we have learned to change the position of the sprite, the size of the sprite, the color of the sprite, switch the costumes. ठीक है, all these things we have learned so far. So have you understood how you will create the script, how you will work with two sprites? You will write these scripts for both the sprites individually. ठीक है, if you will click on this, now you can write the script for this D sprite. Okay, now we will learn how to show and hide the sprite. ठीक है, now our sprite is visible. I have changed the sprite. ठीक है, okay. So in the looks tab, in the looks block, here are the blocks for show and hide. ठीक है, I will select this show, and in control I will select wait 1 second. ठीक है, then again in looks I will select hide, and in control wait for 1 second, and in control I will pack these in the repeat block. Okay, अब repeat होते रहेंगे हमारे actions. ठीक है, and in events I will drag this flag. ठीक है, now when I will click on this flag, our sprite will show for 1 second, and for 1 second it will be hidden. ठीक है, and again since the actions are repeating, so it will come again and it will be hidden again. ठीक है, तो I will press flag C. ठीक है, 1 second के लिए it will be shown, and for 1 second it will be hidden. In this way you can hide your sprite also. ठीक है, how will you hide your sprite? Using the show and hide block. ठीक है, okay. Now we will learn how will your sprite draw a trail of colors. Let's create a script for that. Move 10 steps, then take a turn 15 degree. ठीक है, I will drag pen down block, and then I will use this change pen color by 20 or 25, anything you can write. These are the pen colors, right? If you will choose the 0 color, it will be 0. It will be the highest or the darkest tone of the color. Like it will be nearly close to black. And if you will choose 100 tone, it will be close to white. Okay, it is the lightest shade. And the pen shades, they range from 0 to 100. Okay, I have used pen color by 25. It will use 25 colors now. ठीक है, 25 different colors to move. Then we will let's use this repeat block. ठीक है, and in events I will use when clicked flag. ठीक है, now let's see what happens. See, it is drawing the trail of colors. It is drawing the line, right? You can also change the size of the pen. ठीक है, change set pen size to, let's write here 10. Now see, now observe the changes. See, pen size I have increased ना, तो that's why it is drawing a wider line. ठीक है, थोड़ा line मोटा हो गया ना. See, in this way your sprite can draw a trail of colors. Wherever it will move, it will draw the colors. ठीक है, use some other blocks. Move 10 steps. Okay, 15 degrees. Now it will not take a turn, it will only move in the forward direction. Okay, ठीक, let's see, it is moving in the forward direction. तो now अब जहां पे वो move करेगी वहीं पे line of colors will be drawn. ठीक है, okay, in this way you can draw a trail of colors. How, which block will you use? You will use pen block. And how many colors are there? They range from 0 to 100. Okay, 0 is the darkest shade, it is close to black, and 100 is the lightest shade. So have you understood all the things? How you will move your sprite, how you will change the position of this sprite, rotation styles, color, costumes, everything. Okay, you have to try Scratch programming. If you will not try it, only lecture cannot teach you. Okay, try a hand on Scratch programming to learn it better.
I hope you have understood all these things well. If you will do these things on your own, then you will understand them even better. Okay, now I have an assessment for you. We have 2 questions. You have to write the answers in your notebook. Okay, first is, what is Scratch? Then, which block draws a line as the sprite moves? Pause the video and write the answers in your notebook. I hope you all have written the answers. Let's study them. Okay, first of all, tell me, what is Scratch? Scratch is a program that is used to create games, animations, stories, and so many other projects with ease, right? And you only have to drag the ready-made blocks to create the script, right? Next is, which block draws a line as the sprite moves? We have learned about this block now in the today's practical session. Which block is used to draw the line as the sprite moves? It is pen down block, right? So the answer of the second question is pen down block. Were your answers right? Now your homework is, you have to make a project in Scratch using 2 sprites. Okay? Make a project using 2 sprites. Using 2 sprites. Okay? And also you have to solve the brain developer exercises. Okay? In the next session, we will discuss the brain developer exercises. Okay? That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.